Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today is all about campaigns, how to send bulk campaigns manually using WhatsApp. Okay, this is the idea. To create a campaign, really the hardest part is to collect all the data for your prospects. I think this is the hardest part. Everything else is going to be super easy. You're going to see it, but we want to go like step by step. So, this is a document we are using for a campaign. This is for lawyers in Spain. So, really, prospecting, finding the contact number, finding the contact, WhatsApp number, everything. I think that's the part where you are going to invest, more time. So, for example, in this case, we go to this location, we look for lawyers, and here, we can find this is the number, this is the number, this is the number. Okay. So you need to do, copy and paste. This is a process that you need to do anyway. So after a few minutes, hours, you're going to have a table like this one with the prospects information. This is what you need to go here, you need to find your clients, you need to look for the phone number, and you need to put it in your Google Sheet. Okay, this is the idea. The more data you have about your customers, the more personalized the message is going to be. Okay, I'm sure there are plenty of automated scrapping tools that can do this for you. I don't know how to use them, so I do it manually, but this is the way I do it. But anyway, getting a document like this one is what you need to create a campaign. Okay, a manual campaign with WhatsApp. The most important field in this document is the WhatsApp number. Okay, that's the really key element. Everything else is optional. The header is important because it's going to help us, making variables in the template, so you can make each message unique, and that's another important issue. So, having the columns, having a WhatsApp number, I think that's the most important thing for a campaign. So we have the document is ready. We have our clients list, we have the prospects, this is ready to go. We go to campaigns, it's here in the menu. We upload the file. You need to have it can be CSV, Excel, this is up to you. As you can see, when we import the file, we have the table, everything is here. And the first thing you need to do is you need to define which one is the phone number. So we choose the phone number. We are going to add the country code. So we have everything with because to send a WhatsApp, you need the country code number. Okay, that's the same, that's mandatory. As you can see, we have some validation issues. Why? Because we have some empty fields here. Okay, the spaces is not an issue. Okay, that's okay, with our tool. But to have a blank space, a blank field, that's something we need to fix. So we can delete, and that's it. All the mistakes are gone. So in this process, we are going to make your document 100% valid to start the campaign. The same. This is a small step, but we try to help you as much as possible to have all the leads ready to receive a WhatsApp message. Okay, so we save. This is okay. In this step, what we can do is we can filter, and we can reduce the amount of contacts to send the campaign. Let's say you have 1,000 leads and you have different cities or locations or whatever, or units, or I don't know, interests or something. So you can filter, and you can make a smaller audience. So instead of 1,000, you can have 100, something like that. Okay, I hope this is clear. But we are going to use all of them. So we have everything imported. These are the labels for the message. So now we can say, hi, business name. And here you can see the preview. This is an invitation to our event in, location. Please confirm here. Okay, and you can see the preview here, and you can, with the arrows, you can have a preview of the different, variables in the document. So you can, you can check everything is good. You can upload a file, a PDF, JPEG, anything you want, and we can create a campaign. We create a campaign, the campaign is done, it's set, we have all the contacts here, we have the button to send, we are ready to go. So how we start? We click, you can preview and send. So you can preview, okay, everything looks good, I'm going to send it. Or you can just go direct send. This is going to open WhatsApp, and we can send the message right away. But we need to do it manually. That means we need to click, open, send. Click, open, send. That's the way to do it. So with the WhatsApp API, everything is 100% automated. Without WhatsApp API, you need to click, send. Click, send. That's it. Okay, that's what you need to choose. Why is important to make each message unique, like these ones? Every time we click send, the message is unique. Hey, criminal lawyer. Hey, whatever. Every message is going to be unique. Why is that important? Because otherwise, WhatsApp can detect you are sending too many messages the same way, and that's something WhatsApp doesn't like. So making each message unique is going to help you sending quality messages. Okay, the same. As you can see, there is a tracking here. You can check, when the message is being sent, to who the message is being sent. You can check the progress of your campaign. So, this is like a nice tool for you, to, send the campaigns, and you can check the progress. This is the way to do it. So, step 1, create your audience. Step 2, upload the audience. Step 3, set the campaign. That's it. That's what you need to do. Hope it's clear. I think this is a nice tool for anyone doing campaigns. I think it's a nice, companion, when you are sending campaigns and you want to just, do it, as good as you can. And hopefully this help you. Okay. Hopefully this is a tool you use, and if you have feedback, comments, please send those to us, because we are here to help you. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.